My name is Marilyn Riley, and I'm from Lawton, Oklahoma. And we came to the Max Hospital through Med Journeys, who I found online. And after comparing several companies that do overseas medicine, I chose them because they were right there to answer every question. They, ahead of time, they gave us interviews with the doctors, and so we felt very comfortable coming to see the doctors. And of course we came here because I had cosmetic surgery done, which was just because my son was coming, but it isn't paid for by insurance, and it was more economical to do it here. And I was impressed with the doctor's credentials, and the way he dealt with us made us feel very comfortable and exactly what I needed to have done. And that he even rearranged his schedule to fit me in because my son's surgery was already scheduled. And so we came, we've been treated just wonderful from the time we walk in the door to the time we leave, and everybody's been so accommodating, and the food was good, and the service was good, and the nurses were wonderful, and you just turned the light on and they were right there to see what you needed, and we really appreciated them, that they made our stay so comfortable. And I wouldn't hesitate to recommend you to friends or family. It was a great stay and a great surgery, and we'll probably come back.
Okay, my name is Joe Williams. I'm from Lawton, Oklahoma, and I came here to Max Hospital in India through Med Journeys to have bariatric surgery done. And since my time here, I've found the doctors to be very knowledgeable and caring, and the way they told you about the surgery is very well informed. And all the nurses on the floor where I was at was always right there when you needed them, and they was very concerned about you. And overall, my stay was very, very wonderful. I would likewise recommend it to other family and friends if they needed to come in.
My name is Dr. Sherry Gandalf. I'm from Southern California in the United States. I came here through Max Journeys to have some cosmetic procedures done, and I had found Med Journeys online, and I found they had recommended Dr. Sunil Chowdhury, and I looked up his resume online. Being a physician, I was quite impressed with the fact that he had done so much of his training in England and in New Zealand. He has done fellowships there, and as a physician, I know that fellowships for surgeons are extremely competitive. So I was quite satisfied with his credentials. I didn't know as much about Med Journeys, but I must say this experience has been one of the most wonderful adventures of my life. I couldn't say anything better about the health care that I received. It certainly is as good or better than anything I've received in the United States. The nurses have been much more attentive. One rings the bell and you don't have to wait 5 or 10 minutes to have a response from the nurses. One nurse in particular, a man by the name of Nitin, was just especially good. But it's hard to pick out any one particular person because they all were extremely professional. They all knew their jobs very well. I had very hard veins to cannulize for the IVs, and after I had the surgery, my arms were wrapped in pretty heavy bandages, which caused my hands to swell up. And I did not think there was any way they were going to get another IV in my hands, and yet they did so. You know, my experience as a physician tells me that you're not going to get better healthcare in the United States. And I've had some very, very good healthcare. I've had healthcare perhaps that's as good in the United States, but nothing better. So I can hardly say anything more positive about this whole adventure. And it has been an adventure because just 5 days after surgery, I felt well enough to see the Taj Mahal. I've been shopping, as one can probably see, in Delhi, and I'm going on a tour tomorrow of Delhi. I can't say how happy I am about this whole thing. Like I say, it's an adventure as well as excellent, excellent health care. I thank Max Healthcare, and I thank Med Journeys. I thank Sunny Krishna, Prabhat Chawla, as well as the people at Charter House, the drivers. It's been just a magnificent experience, and I couldn't be happier. It's a wonderful experience in my life.